Hey everyone, this is John with Lead Capture IO, and in today's video, I'm going to walk through how to create a hidden field within your lead capture form. Now, when it comes to creating hidden fields, there are two types of hidden fields. You can create a hidden field to capture a UTM from the URL, or you could create a hard-coded hidden field. I'll show you how to do both. So for this example, let's just go to this contact form step. Go to the left-hand side, click on Add Form Field. In this first example, I'm going to walk through how to create a hidden field to capture a UTM parameter from the URL. For example, maybe you're running paid search ads and you're looking to capture a UTM such as campaign name or keyword. You'll just go into the field name and we'll call this UTM underscore campaign. This will be whatever your UTM is named. And then field label, this doesn't matter so much since nobody will see it, but we'll still add the field label. Then for field type, we're going to choose the option of URL lookup. And what this is basically saying is it's saying, go to the URL and look for this UTM parameter. And we'll add the exact parameter name, in this case, UTM underscore campaign. Now, if you're looking to capture something like a keyword and your parameter is UTM underscore keyword, then you would just type that in. It needs to match exactly what your UTM is. Otherwise, it will not capture the UTM. And then we're going to click save. Now, as you'll see, the UTM parameter and the hidden field has been set here, but it is not showing up inside of the form. So that's the first type of hidden field that you can set. The second type of hidden field that you can set is a hard-coded hidden field. And there's many use cases for this that we see at Lead Capture IO. One of the most common use cases is passing TCPA compliance text or disclaimer text from the form into a CRM. Another common use case that we see is sometimes our customers need to pass a specific ID from the form into the CRM. So to set a hard-coded hidden field, what we'll do here is we'll just go back to our contact form step. It doesn't really matter what step you use, but for this example, we're going to use the contact form step. We'll click Add Form Field, and then we'll go through the same sort of process. We'll give it a name. Let's just say it's TCPA compliance text. And then we'll give it a label. Again, the label doesn't really matter because nobody's going to see this. Then for field type, we're going to set it to hidden hard-coded field. And now you'll see two new fields show up, but you only really need to worry about the hidden hard-coded value. So let's say it's your TCPA compliance text. I can actually just copy this and paste it in and click save. And now when the form is submitted, the TCPA compliance text could be passed to the CRM. Or if you're just looking to pass a value like the number 2, you just put that in, and then you can set your webhook field name. And if you're using Leadbyte or something like that, you could add in your field ID, click save field, and now you have your hidden hard-coded field set as well. You can set as many hard-coded and hidden fields as you need inside of Lead Capture. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or need any help along the way, just reach out and let us know. Thanks.